if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chidima of ucnoeline Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome. And for you, my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. So guys, in today's video, I want to show you how I install my low cut wig. So I've done the first one, which is the black one, and unfortunately I lost the clip on how I install it. So I'm going to show you how to install this wig using this particular wig color. As you can see, I went off camera to cut off the excess lace in front. So I'm going to put it on so that you guys will see what it looks like without any glue added to it. I did not attach any elastic band or combs. So this is what it looks like without any glue. So now that you guys have seen what it looks like without any glue, this is what the back looks like. Okay, I'll go ahead to glue it down using my got2b glue. It's glueless, as you can see, but you know you have to secure the wig using the glue got2b, and also to melt the lace. I'm not spraying the got2b directly on my hair because I'm not good in doing that. As you can see that I am using my rat tail comb to spread the got2b around the edges of the wig. I'm trying to be precise on where I put the spray gel or spray holding gel on my wig. Then I'll go ahead with my hand dryer to dry the wig gel down, as so doing to melt the lace using the same spray holding gel. So you can see that I'm using my rastel comb. I'm not spraying the got2b glue gel spray directly on my hair or on my forehead. Rather, I'm using my rastel comb to do that. So guys, as I was saying, I said in the beginning of the video, I showed how I made this wig, but the one I did was black wig, and the only difference between that one and this one is that that one is a little bit shorter in front than this, but they're all the same. And after making the video, unfortunately I discovered that I lost the clip on the installation. I only had it on portrait mode, which I posted it on my shorts. Then guys, after doing the glue, I'll go ahead to tie it down with this headband. Then I will leave it on for some minutes and then dry it with my dryer if you're in a haste, or you leave it for some minutes to melt or dry off. Then I'll go off camera to finish my face, do just little glam. I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. So guys, if you're interested in ordering this wig, I have it in wholesale, both wholesale and retail packages. Okay, just do check the description box, the column on the description box that says to order a wig. I will leave my WhatsApp link there so you'll be able to order this wig. And if you have interest in any of my product, other braided wigs, you can use the same link to order them. And this is what the wig looks like. Finally, this is the final look. As you can see, it looks so real, it looks so natural. So guys, I have a video on how I made the short wig, the black one. Check the link or you look up here to watch the video on how I made this wig, but the black version of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this moment, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. I'm begging you, subscribe. It's absolutely free, and make sure you turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, like, comment, share this video. I hope to see you all again in my next video. Till then, when blessed. Bye. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay